Let's do a cosmology segment really quickly. Let's pick a random number using our quantum number generator here between 1 and 1031. Today's number is 445, which we may have done before. Leave us a comment if I'm redoing one here. 445 is quasar B1334-127, a BL Lacertae / HPQ. I don't know what HPQ stands for. Some kind of quasar. And BL Lacertae objects are objects with a full range emission spectra. These are the hard X-ray transient outbursts from quasar 1334-127. That's QSO B1334-127, a catchy name. And let's take a look at this object. I have a bit of a photographic memory. Perhaps I will remember if we've seen this one before. Number 445. Let's check it out on the XMM Newton. I'm not so sure we saw this one before, folks. But indeed we did. So let's go back and take a different random object here. Give us another random number here. This one's 393. So let's check 393. It's galaxy NGC 4151, a Seyfert 1.5, meaning it's an active galactic nucleus, and we should have a good view of this one when it comes to visual analysis. There is the X-ray output, and this one does seem like it's got a bit of a cyclicity there, somewhat over the past 15 years, as this upper right graph there is the 30-day chart of galaxy NGC 4151. Let's look at it on SIMBAD, and you can see the brightness of that active galactic nucleus there with some blue hot stars on the outer regions. And that bright active galactic nucleus, you're actually looking quite directly toward the pole of this one. This is, if you were just a little bit more perpendicular to the plane of this galaxy from your perspective, this would be a quasar. So there it is in infrared light. Here it is on the XMM Newton, the multi-mirror project, and here it is on Chandra. Great view of that there on Chandra. It's galaxy NGC 4151, which is, again, number 393 at the Neil Gorell Swift-Bat X-ray Observatory. Let's talk about another galaxy, and this one's super interesting in that there are two different rotating portions of it. Part of the galaxy is rotating one way, and the other portion is rotating oppositely. We've got all kinds of hot blue stars here around these areas, and it's not understood how this galaxy does it. It's believed, according to this article, to be a result of a collision with another galaxy, perhaps an example of a lack of tools in the cosmic toolbox. As this doesn't look very much like a collided galaxy to me, what say you? Leave us a comment and let us know what you think about this galaxy, which is known as NGC 4826. How is it doing that? So you can see a lot of dust obscuring. This is a great view of this. We have a great sort of an angular view. It's not quite edge on, and it's not quite perpendicular to the ecliptic plane. Galaxy NGC 4826. How is like half of it rotating oppositely to the other half? Normally when we see galaxies that collided with other galaxies, they're much more irregular in shape. This one has a very regular spiral shape. Perhaps a very slow collision happened, but in any case, that's today's cosmology.